Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.
A radiation emitted from devices like cell phones, laptops, televisions, and computers primarily falls under non-ionizing radiation, specifically in the form of radiofrequency and electromagnetic fields. While these types of radiation do not have enough energy to ionize atoms directly, peer-reviewed studies have shown potential long-term harmful effects on health, particularly with prolonged and excessive exposure. Below are 5 key harmful effects, along with examples, causes, and preventive measures. 1. Increased risk of brain cancer. Cause prolonged exposure to RF radiation, particularly from close contact with devices like cell phones. Example: studies, such as those by the International Agency for Research on Cancer, have classified RF radiation as possibly carcinogenic to humans, indicating that excessive use of cell phones may increase the risk of glioma, a malignant type of brain cancer. Mechanism: the radiation penetrates brain tissue, particularly in children, causing genetic mutations and increased oxidative stress that may contribute to tumor growth. Prevention: limit the duration of phone calls and use speaker mode or earphones to reduce exposure. Avoid keeping devices like cell phones directly against your head or in your pocket. 2. DNA damage. Cause EMF exposure can lead to oxidative stress and DNA strand breaks. Example: a study published in the International Journal of Radiation Biology found that prolonged RF radiation exposure can induce both single and double-strand DNA breaks in human cells. Mechanism: continuous exposure to radiation creates free radicals in the body, leading to oxidative stress that may damage cellular structures, including DNA. This damage can contribute to aging, mutations, and increased cancer risk. Prevention: use EMF shielding devices for laptops and cell phones. Minimize screen time, especially close to bedtime, as radiation can affect cellular repair processes during sleep. 3. Oxidative stress. Cause prolonged exposure to EMFs and RFs increases the generation of reactive oxygen species, leading to oxidative stress in the body. Example: research published in Environmental Research found a significant increase in oxidative stress markers in individuals exposed to RF radiation from cell phones. Mechanism: oxidative stress occurs when the production of free radicals overwhelms the body's antioxidant defenses, leading to cellular and tissue damage. This can affect the brain, immune system, and other organs, potentially leading to chronic diseases such as cancer or neurodegenerative disorders. Prevention: increase intake of antioxidant-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and supplements such as vitamins C and E. Reduce exposure by limiting use of radiation-emitting devices, particularly in proximity to the head and body. All right, let's talk about something really important: reproductive system damage. Now, exposure to EMF and RF radiation can, unfortunately, negatively impact sperm quality and overall reproductive health. A study published in the showed that men who kept their cell phones in their pockets experienced a significant reduction in sperm count, motility, and viability. It's pretty concerning, right? So, how does this happen? Well, the thermal effect of radiation from devices like laptops placed on the lap can increase the temperature in the reproductive organs. Plus, oxidative stress can damage sperm DNA, affecting fertility. To help prevent this, try to avoid keeping cell phones and laptops directly on your lap or near reproductive organs. And you can also use protective gear or materials to create a barrier between your body and the device. It's all about taking those extra steps to protect your health. 5. Immune dysfunction. Chronic exposure to low levels of radiation can impair immune function by affecting the balance of immune cells and increasing inflammation. Research published in showed that exposure to electromagnetic fields from cell phones can alter immune cell responses, leading to suppressed immunity and increased vulnerability to infections and diseases. Radiation-induced oxidative stress can damage immune cells and tissues while disrupting cellular communication, weakening the body's ability to fight off pathogens. To prevent this, take regular breaks from devices to reduce cumulative exposure. Maintain a healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet and regular exercise, to boost immune resilience. Additional causes of harmful radiation effects. Holding devices close to the body significantly increases exposure. Devices in standby mode can still emit radiation. The cumulative effect of using multiple devices, such as cell phones, laptops, and TVs, exacerbates health risks, as radiation exposure from all sources adds up over time. Children, pregnant women, and individuals with pre-existing health conditions are more susceptible to the harmful effects of radiation due to their developing bodies or weakened immune systems. Preventive measures and guidelines. First, keep devices at a safe distance, especially when not in use. For example, use a laptop on a desk instead of your lap. Second, reduce the time spent on devices emitting radiofrequency radiation. This is particularly important for children and adolescents. Third, power off devices when not in use to avoid unnecessary radiation exposure. Fourth, use electromagnetic field blockers. Special covers, shields, and cases designed to block or reduce radiation can help minimize exposure. Lastly, stay informed. Stay updated on research and recommendations from health agencies regarding safe radiation levels for electronic devices. Peer-reviewed research supporting these findings. Hardell et al., 2013. Long-term use of cellular phones and brain tumors. Increased risk associated with use for more than 10 years. Yakimenko et al., 2015. Oxidative mechanisms of biological activity of low-intensity radiofrequency radiation. Zotansiyama et al., 2017. Exposure to radiofrequency radiation emitted by mobile phone induces oxidative stress in human tissues. Lavignera et al., 2012. Effects of the exposure to mobile phones on male reproduction. Johansson et al., 2009. Disturbance of immune system by electromagnetic fields, a potentially underlying cause for cellular damage and disease. By being mindful of these risks and adopting preventive measures, individuals can mitigate the potential harmful effects of radiation from everyday devices.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on healthy eating and nutrition.